In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV report in Power BI. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app and head into one of your existing reports. Before we build anything, make sure your CV data is already loaded into the report model, so the fields we'll use are available. First, let's set up the canvas, which is essentially your digital paper. Click once on the white background so nothing is selected. In the Visualizations pane, open the format options using the paintbrush icon. Expand canvas settings. For type, choose 16.9 if this CV will live on LinkedIn or the web, or pick letter if you plan to export it to PDF later. Now set the canvas background to a light grey and adjust transparency to 0% so the colour is fully visible. This subtle backdrop helps your content stand out and reads well on screens and print. Next, let's create your header, which acts as your profile. Go to Insert, choose Image, and upload a professional headshot, then place it in the top left corner. For your name, select the card Visual and drag the name field from your profile table into the fields well. In the formatting options, remove the category label so only your name shows and bump the font size up to at least 30 for clear hierarchy. For your bio and contact details, use a multi-row card. Drag in role, email, LinkedIn, and bio and position this just to the right of your photo. Keep spacing consistent so it looks clean and easy to scan. Now let's build the skills section. Insert a clustered bar chart. Put skill on the y-axis and proficiency on the x-axis. Add type to the legend so tools and languages get different colors automatically. In the formatting panel, turn on data labels so viewers can read proficiency values at a glance. This layout makes it simple to compare strengths quickly. For your project's portfolio, add either a table visual or another multi-row card depending on the look you want. Bring in project name, domain, and impact to highlight what you built, where it fits, and why it mattered. Finally, add interactivity with what I like to call the magic slicer. Click on a blank part of the canvas, insert a slicer visual, and drag tools used from the projects table into it. Test it by selecting SQL in the slicer. Your project list should instantly filter to show only the matching projects. This makes your CV dynamic and tailored to what the viewer cares about. That's it for building a polished, interactive CV report in Power BI. Thanks for watching.